All right, ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Janky AF. And welcome back to Janky AF, our continuing series why you never want to own a car in upstate New York, especially in the winter. And here's a couple reasons. Walking around in cow pies. So our driveway has been plowed. Great job by Ziggy doing that. But as you can see, there's still quite a bit of shoveling to do out there, so we're gonna have to do that. My Jetta is just completely buried in snow. Here's the El Camino. Doesn't it look great under a car cover, by the way? It looks like an old, Plymouth GTX or something under there. It's just funny how long and, weird that looks. We got a spare tire on it. As we may have told you, the tire went flat. So actually, I quite like these steel wheels on it. So we gotta hum that up and get it going. Here's another reason. I gave this car a car wash yesterday and it is just completely plastered and soaked with mud, tire tracks and more mud, puddles and more mud and puddles of mud and salt and whatever kind of janky no thanky they spray on the roads here in upstate New York. And I think the insurance companies have lobbies that try to get them to spray the nastiest chemicals possible because they have fewer claims, and that means the cars rust out faster. Now that may be a conspiracy theory and I can't really prove it, but if you have any evidence to back that up, please let me know. So there you have it. There's the scene up here at Janky Acres, the $1 million view, and well, I suppose it's time to shovel. And luckily we're going into the left bay instead of the right bay. It's slightly less daunting of a task. Doesn't look like much, but that's still gonna be a lot of heavy snow. And maybe instead of buying so many old cars, I should invest in a snow blower. Well, got my morning workout in. Okay, as you can see, we got the doors open. We got them propped with a cinder block and a wheel from my beloved 2005 Honda Accord, the Billsmobile. That's no longer with us. We got Fiat, we got Buick, we got Aerostar number 2, and we got Aerostar number 1. Oh. Tight and cramped in here. We got some toilets. So, the El Camino is exactly 201.78 inches or something like that. And we're just shy of that berth. And we have about 3 feet here until we get to this semi-covered area, which I also have to shore up to keep the snow out. But luckily, it's dry in here. So we're gonna hook the Aerostar battery up. Hopefully cinch this a few inches forward. Do the same thing to the next Aerostar. And then we should have clearance for the El Camino. So that's the plan. We'll see how she goes. Okay, boys and girls and everybody else, just make sure you connect the positive terminal first, and when you're removing them, remove the negative terminal first. That will prevent some sort of arc or potential electrocution. So the internet tells me. 13mm socket. I try to hold out to live in shadow quiet. Tell myself my love is nothing short of pious. And we should have juice. Alright. So because we disconnected the battery, hopefully it's still got power. Well, because we disconnected it and then reconnected it. Let's find out, huh? I just love the Aerostar. Alright. The lighting's probably not too good in here, but we'll try to make it quick. Parking brake is off. As close as we possibly can. That's as close as we're getting. on for a minute here. Sounds good. All right, we found the key. Thank you again to Aerostar 1989 for this beautiful Aerostar keychain. So let's see if we can move this up and not smash two Aerostars into each other. And then it's El Camino time. Oh, maybe you just heard it rumble out there.
It's one small step for man, one giant leap for mankind.
Well, we've actually made contact. We got contact. Smashed my license plate, but that's okay. I'm gonna get a new license plate anyway, so let's see if we can get it in there. That probably won't stay, but what are you gonna do? Listen to that burble. That's American Muscle right there. American Muscle and a little duct tape.
Potato, 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 potato.
All right, here we go.
Yeah, I'll see you up there.
All right. Well, I should probably do this with two hands. That probably won't stay, but what are you gonna do? So what is it? Park, reverse, neutral, drive?
Park, reverse, neutral, drive, 2, 1. Don't leave it in 1.
No.
It's way too tall.
Yeah. Oh boy.
Yeah, man.
Oh boy. Can I go down? Does this thing have power steering?
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah. It's a little frozen right now, but it'll loosen up.
We got contact. That was pretty great.
That was awesome. I wish I did it in slow-mo.
Yeah, 60p.
Yeah, man. Well, I'll do this in slow-mo. All right, this is it.
All right, yeah, this is it. Whew, smell that rubber. All right, ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Janky AF. Welcome to Janky AF.
The greatest of all time. Slippy slap, 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 slippy swami, swooby, 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 dooby, 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 dibby, 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 dooby, hobba, 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 hibby, 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 wah, 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 jiggy, cricket, baby, sucker, sucker, yeah, 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 yo, 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 poopy, poop, poop, pee, pee, poo, poo, yeah, 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 hoo, hoo, hee, hee, I am you and you are me, twiddle, tum, 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 twiddle, tum, tea, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 3, 2, 1, blast off now, go and shit into your mouth, everybody, everybody, come get loud.
Ha ha! Well, before we poison ourselves with carbon monoxide, let's get out and look at our work. You know, I was a performance driver in a movie one time.
Are you serious?
Yep.
Well, no wonder it shows.
Oh, I got plenty of room.
I've got to hand it to you, man. That was beautiful. I'm in it. That was beautiful.
Oh my god. All right, let's back her up actually a little bit. That way I can get, because the Aerostar's right on that bump, and I'd rather not have the tires on it.
I hear that.
You want to do the honors?
Yeah, I'll do the honors.
Okay.
Just let me know when to stop. You
Sure.
should stick it like
Oh my
right there.
god.
You know?
I think she likes the cold.
I think so too, man. I've always run in riffs, so I'm not surprised.
Yeah. Oh my god.
One small step for man, one giant leap for mankind.
That's good. Good Lord. All right. Oh, we did it. With inches to spare. Look at all that room. 5-car garage, ladies and gentlemen.
When can I move in?
Yeah. So let's take care of business here and back, because this Aerostar is right on this wood here, which I'm sure is not good for the tires long term. So I'll back this baby up a tiny bit, give ourselves a little clearance here, and wow.